Yes, everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a roof plan from an existing floor plan using AutoCAD. So I already have a 3D floor plan fully dimensioned and ready to go. I'm going to break down the process step by step, making it easy to follow, whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills. Let's go. So this is our floor plan. Yeah, already drawn into dimension. This is a 3 bedroom. Yeah, I've just turned off the layers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick on the footprint. Just going to click on the outer wall. Yeah, so I drew using a polyline. So if I can just click this one, it's going to highlight the outer wall like that. So I'm just going to copy. Select the base point like that. Then it's gonna copy it there. That's one copy is enough. Yes, I think I'm just gonna move it to cover more space like this. Just move it here. Let's put it here. Let's put it there. That's enough. That's okay. So this is our floor plan. This is the footprint now. In order to draw, so my drawing is in feet. My units are in feet. Let me just check it quick. Let's type units. Yeah, as you can see here, my drawings are in feet. Just okay. So as you all know, when you're drawing the roof plan from the floor plan, we are going to include the overhang, where the hips of the roof are going to overhang away from the wall. So we must include them in the roof plan. So to do that, I'm just going to offset at the floor plan. I'm just going to highlight that. Then I'm going to do the offset. I'm going to offset through 1.6 feet outwards, just like that, and we're good to go. So I can just get rid of this one. I don't need it, not now. Yes, so there you have it. This is now the roof plan plus the hips, where they're going to extend or the overlap to. So very quick, I'm going to change the view here. I'm using a top view, so I'm going to use southeast isometric. Yeah, so this is now southeast isometric view. So the first thing you do, you're going to use 3D tools. So just very quick, I want to switch to 3D modeling very fast. So we have 3D tools. So I'm going to extrude. I'm going to extrude that one upwards. Extruding. Let's say I'm going to extrude through 15 feet. I know that's too big. Let's put 12 feet. I'm extruding it through 12 feet. There. So if we check really shades of gray, I like using shades of gray there. Yeah, so after doing that, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to taper. We're going to use the taper tool to taper the faces. So to do that, just go to the solids and come here, the taper faces. So yeah, you select the faces you're going to taper. So in this case, I'm just going to select all the appropriate faces. I'm going to select all the faces here, but that does not apply in every case. So that one we will discuss in our next video. Yes, and we are done. So after tapering, after selecting the faces, you're going to select, you press enter. Then you want to specify the base point. We specify the base point, which is going to be the bottom surface. Then specify another point. Just gonna select that and like that. So that's my next point. Then enter. Then you're going to be, oh sorry, I didn't quite put. Yeah, now I'm going to have to put the angle. So in this case, I'm going to put angle 60. Then we'll press enter twice. We have our roofing. Yeah, we have the roofing from the floor plan. So just to recap, what I did is to first of all highlight the floor plan, then you copy it, then you the second thing I did yeah, as I was saying, the next thing I did was to offset the floor plan to cover for the overhang on the hips. So through that I did 1.6 feet, that is around 500 millimeter standard, it's around there if you just go check a bit. Then next thing I did to use number 3D tools to extrude the plan, extruding, then I taper the faces. So you taper the faces to an angle, so I normally use 60 degrees. Okay, so this is a very quick way to draw your roofing, but this does not mean the roof will be put into an angle of 60 degrees, and the angle of the roof depends on the pitch you're going to use. So that's it, guys. Tell me, what do you think about my quick way of making roofing from a floor plan? So till next time, see you, bye.